Migrate your Gmail data to Office 365 effortlessly with the Aryson Google Workspace Backup tool. Perform secure, fast, and reliable Google Workspace to Office 365 migration while preserving complete data integrity. Step 1. Download and install the Aryson Google Workspace Migration Tool. Launch the software and select the Mailbox migration card under Choose Migration Mode. Step 2. Choose your preferred authentication method, OAuth 2.0, Modern Auth, IMAP plus App Password, or Google Workspace Admin, DWD. Then, sign in with your Google Workspace account to continue. Step 3. After signing in, the software displays all available Gmail folders and labels. Select the folders you want to migrate to Office 365. Step 4. After selecting the folders, go to the Destination section and choose Microsoft 365 as the target platform. Step 5. Choose your preferred Microsoft 365 login method and sign in to continue the migration. Step 6. Configure the migration settings as needed, including mailbox items, date range, Gmail filters, duplicate handling, and more. You can also customize the destination folder and enable options like resume migration. Once everything is set, click Start Migration to begin transferring Gmail data to Microsoft 365. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Have a question? Leave a comment below. We're happy to assist.